Good morning, students. Today, previous class we have to finish three topic type of disorder. First is ADHD, second is SPD, and third one is ASD. Sorry, ASD is right. Now we have to take new topic of the point of type of disorder ODD, oppositional defiant disorder, and second one obsessive compulsive disorder. Okay, you have to see this is the five types of disorder. Now we have to discuss oppositional defiant disorder, ODD in short form. In ODSD, in this disorder, we have to say that this is the behavioral disorder, or we call to say group of disorder. Because of that, in this disorder, person have very angry and opposite react person, and in adult age they also doing a rebel type aggression. Okay, this type of disorder also do a lot of disturbance near person of the for the near persons, and they also disturb the around persons, and they these type of person disobey of doctor or पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इस तरीके के बच्चे हमेशा डिसोबे करते हैं और उनका व्यवहार हमेशा बागी की तरह रहता है. बागी यू नो, रिबेल टाइप. ओके, इन दिस डिसऑर्डर you know very well in this picture, this is argue and disobey behavior. This is the behavioral disorder. Okay, now we talk about the causes. Because of that, this is the behavioral disorder. You know very well, two causes also come. First is psychological, after then social disorder, social causes there. Okay, after then biological or genetic disorder, if any person history or person parents having this or suffering this disorder or this behavior, they also come to next generation. Okay, and next one is physical disorder. Physical causes also there in this, not disorder. This is the causes. The physical texture and physical health is not well, they also doing this type of behavior. You see some weak students also doing a irritating behavior. आपने देखा होगा पतले दुबले होते हैं वो ज़्यादा इरिटेटिव होते हैं कंपेरेटिव टू नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट. ओके, now we have to take a next disorder. Last one is obsessive compulsive disorder. In this disorder, the expert is say that they have no solution of disorder. Because of that, this disorder is going on in the lifetime, और आपके जीवन के साथ ये चलता रहता है. Okay, this disorder is related to your mental health, and in your mental health, this disorder comes the constant thought in your mind, and you repeat it again and again. In this disorder, expert says that this is the mind disorder because the one part of mind is not send the information to second part. Okay, this is the part disorder, or sorry, mind disorder. Because of that, mind is not send some information to second part. That's why our body part is constant, and they do busy in one work again and again. And this is the chemical disease in our mind. uh, we call, say, according to expert, serotonin chemical in our mind. They not send, they this is the they not send they will not send the information to second part. Because of that, this chemical having our mind, the mind is not send the information to second part. That's why. Okay, now we talk about the causes. Before we talk about the causes, we have to show the sub symptoms. You see the symptoms in this picture, and you see the word again. It means the person is suffering disorder, they are doing activity again and again. First of all, we see the hand wash. After one time doing a hand wash, they do go again this activity. Because of that, they think his or her hand is not clear very well manner. That's why ये उनके माइंड में प्रॉब्लम होती है। एक बार हाथ धोने के बाद वो दोबारा धोने जाते हैं कि नहीं, मेरे हाथ में कुछ गंदगी तो नहीं रह गई है। वो धोते ही रहते हैं अपने हाथ को बार बार। एंड सेकंड, इन यू सी इन दिस पिक्चर द स्टेप, ये आगे पैर रखने से पहले सोचते हैं कुछ है तो नहीं इसके आगे, हम रखें नहीं रखें, ये आगे उसी एक्टिविटी को करते रहते हैं, इनके माइंड में ही चलता रहता है। नेक्स्ट इज़ द मैनेज ऑफ थिंग्स, मैनेज करते रहते हैं। जैसे बुक्स, कैलकुलेटर आप लोग देख रहे होंगे, स्केल वगैरह बार बार सेट करते रहते हैं। ऐसे नहीं ऐसे अच्छा लगेगा, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे लगेगा, बार बार उसको रखते रहते हैं। ठीक है, ये अगेन एंड अगेन एक्टिविटी करते हैं। लास्ट वन, लॉक द डोर। एक बार जैसे सपोज दैट आपने ताला लगाया, उसके बाद कुछ दूर चलने के बाद फिर दोबारा सोचोगे, यू ऑल्सो थिंक अगेन डोर इज़ लॉक्ड और नॉट। ओके, बार बार ही करते रहते हैं, ताला लगा है या नहीं, बार बार चेक करेंगे फिर दोबारा लगाएंगे। दे आर रिपीटेड अगेन एंड अगेन दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी in this obsessive disorder. After then we talk about the causes. Okay, one cause is there only, we have already discussed about the serotonin chemical. Okay, our mind is not work proper work, they may not through the pass, not passes the message through second part. ये एक पार्ट से दूसरे पार्ट में मैसेज को पास नहीं कर पाता है। यही सबसे बड़ा मेन रीज़न है इसका, कॉजेज़ का। बाकी और कोई इस तरीके का जेनेटिक या इस तरीके का डिसऑर्डर नहीं होता। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव अ नाइस डे एंड योर कंप्लीट डिसऑर्डर टुडे, योर डिसऑर्डर इज़ कंप्लीट टाइप ऑफ डिसऑर्डर। आफ्टर देन लास्ट टॉपिक इज़ रिमेनिंग, नाउ वी डिस्कस इन अ नेक्स्ट क्लास। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव अ नाइस डे।